Imagine this. You get your dream job offer in another country or in another city. At the same time, you're in a relationship with someone you truly care about. What do you choose? Love or career? It's one of the hardest decisions many people face because no matter what you pick, you're afraid of losing something important. Many people choose career because they believe opportunities don't come twice. A strong career can provide financial security, independence, personal growth, and future opportunities. The fear is simple. If you give up a major opportunity now, you might regret it for years. And unlike relationships, some career opportunities have a very short window. But love offers something career can't. A healthy relationship gives emotional support, companionship, shared memories, a sense of belonging. Years later, many people don't remember every promotion or paycheck. They remember the people who were with them during the journey. The mistake is thinking the choice is always love versus career. The real question is, which one is helping me build the life I actually want? Sometimes, the right choice is career because relationship isn't strong enough. Sometimes, the right choice is love because the career opportunity isn't worth sacrificing someone truly special. There's no universal answer. At the end of the day, success isn't just having money without people. And love isn't enough if it requires giving up your future. The goal isn't choosing love or career. The goal is building a life where both can exist together. Because years from now, the question won't be did I choose love or career? It will be, did I choose the life that mattered most to me? What would you choose? Love or career? Let me know in the comments.